Transform your grocery store find into a show-stopping feast with this foolproof guide to cooking a Costco rack of lamb. First, let's talk about your star ingredient, this impressive rack of lamb from Costco. Its quality is already top-notch, making your job that much easier. We'll start by trimming using a sharp knife. Carefully remove any thick, excess fat from the meaty side of the rack, leaving about 1/4 inch for flavor and moisture. Don't forget to trim the silver skin too, if present. Now for the flavor boost. Generously season your lamb all over with kosher salt and freshly cracked black pepper for that classic lamb aroma. We're adding fresh rosemary sprigs and a few smashed garlic cloves. You can also add a drizzle of olive oil to help everything adhere and crisp up. Preheat your oven to 400 degrees Fahrenheit while the oven heats. We're going to sear the lamb. Get a cast iron skillet nice and hot over medium-high heat with a tablespoon of olive oil or your preferred cooking oil. Carefully place your rack of lamb, fat side down, into the hot skillet. Sear for about 23 minutes until a beautiful golden brown crust forms. This step locks in moisture and adds incredible flavor. Sear each of the meaty sides for another minute or so, just to get some color. Then, transfer the lamb, still in the skillet if it's oven safe, to your preheated oven. Roast for approximately 15-20 minutes for medium rare, or until an internal thermometer inserted into the thickest part of the meat. Avoiding bone. Reads 125,130 degrees Fahrenheit for medium. Aim for 135,140 degrees. Once it's reached your desired temperature, carefully remove the rack from the oven and let it rest on a cutting board for at least 10 minutes. Loosely tented with foil, this resting period is crucial for juices to redistribute, ensuring a tender and moist result. Finally, the moment of truth, carving using your sharpest knife. Slice between the rib bones to create individual, restaurant-worthy lamb chops. And there you have it, a perfectly cooked, incredibly flavorful Costco rack of lamb, ready to be enjoyed. Serve with your favorite sides for a truly memorable meal.